Hello makers, here again. I want to challenge myself to make a Christmas card, so I'm searching in Canvas for all things Christmas, and there is one I have had my eye on, had a little sneak peek earlier, and it's this one, the pop-up card, which I would have no idea where to start with making something like this. Obviously has a little video here that you can watch and talk you through. That is on YouTube, but it just has a link here, so if you want to watch that through before you start, probably a good idea for someone like me who isn't a bit of a, is not really a pro. So it comes in two layers. You've got the insert and the outer. So if I select the insert there, it will show it on my mat behind. And there it is. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to export it, export the FCM file, and that will save it onto my computer. I'm going to put it on a USB. The machine obviously has a USB port, so you can just put that in. Don't always want to use the Wi-Fi. Don't know about you, but mine is a little temperamental and some of you might not have it. So I'm saving that on my desktop there. I'm going to select the outside of the card, which is obviously just a rectangle, but it does have the score line there. So I'm going to definitely use that just to line everything up. Export that as well to my desktop. Christmas card. There we go. So that's just saving on a folder I've got on the desktop. And then what I will do is I will open that folder up. I just like to keep them all on there in case I want to use them again. And then I will open up my USB stick that is, here we go, on there. So this PC, USB, and I've got a folder in there for the SDX 2200. So I will copy everything there, drop it into my USB, and it's as easy as that. So it's on my USB. I will now unload the USB, just eject. Always best to do this, then you know that it's not still copying over if it says it's safe to do. So it's on my USB. I'm going to put my USB into my machine and show you the next bit. So nice and easy, retrieve data, and it's got a picture of a USB. Click on there for the SDX 2200. I've got all my designs in there. That third design there is the insert for the card. I love how quick this is. Look, it's there. Yes, don't want to change anything, so I'm just going to select cut. I've already loaded my mat with red 12x12 cardstock, so I just hit go, and the auto blade function kicks in, works out everything it needs to. The depth, don't need to set anything, it will just start cutting straight away. So here it is cut. Here's the insert for the card, so just carefully pull away the waste, not that it's waste, I will use that card for something else, and then just carefully peel off the card. Should use a spatula, but I'm a bit of a rebel, so just carefully pull that away. And then I'll need the Merry Christmas section as well. I will obviously keep that and I will use it on the front of the card, but these little sections in the middle of the wording here, we'll need to keep those and glue those back in again to help with the layout of the text once I've mounted it to the card. So keep that and then carefully just remove these. I think this is called weeding, which I love, so carefully weeding. Here it is. I've done this on speed up because you would have got very bored otherwise of me trying to work it all out, but I did. The score lines are all there and it's just a matter of bending and forming it all the right way so it pops in the right way. Look at that, love it. It does make this nice and easy. So I glue that section down, and then comes the fiddly bit for me. I'm sure you guys will give me some tips on how to do this better, and it's as easy as that. So I put that on the front there. Forgive me, the glue is wet. Reuse the stars as well so there's no waste. I absolutely love this card. Now it's just for who to send it to.